Pakistan is struggling to cope with one of the worst floods in recent history. A deluge has left an area the size of Italy underwater. Houses, roads, and bridges have been washed away. Entire villages are cut off from the outside world. "20 million people have been affected. Millions have been forced from their homes to camps set up on roads and in public buildings. The need for help far outstrips the supply. International aid is only slowly starting to arrive." In response to the need, World Vision aims to help 40,000 families, or nearly 300,000 people, in 3 of the worst-hit provinces over the next few months. Distributions of food, water, tents, and other supplies have already begun. World Vision plans to scale up its efforts to provide aid to Pakistan in the coming weeks and months. In addition to distributing food and other supplies, World Vision plans to open child and women-friendly spaces and additional health posts to help contain the threat of waterborne disease.